Case Study, Sprint Meeting, Project Meeting 3 for Business Requirements and Analysis by Marie Auner. Once again, we'll review the roles of a business analyst. They define business requirements, plan the requirements approach, identify project stakeholders and user classes, elicit requirements, analyze requirements, document requirements, communicate requirements, lead requirements validation, facilitate requirements prioritization, and manage requirements. These are noted in the 4th chapter of the Software Requirements book. Case study goals. Students will attend the sprint meeting, the 3rd team project meeting, and play the part of a business analyst. At the beginning of this meeting, you will be giving your presentation, sharing all of your project requirements documentation that you carefully prepared for the previous assignment. The product owner and other team members will be carefully listening to your project proposal. The product owner, me again, will review what you've covered in your presentation and share any changes that were missed and or whether there are additional changes to the project. Students will gather the new requirements as told by the product owner. Students should take notes as the project requirements are being explained. Once again, based on the information shared by the product owner, your position as a business analyst is to update the project requirements by creating or updating the following. Update the user stories required with additional subtasks as needed. Update the use case diagram showing all stakeholders, customers, participants who use or work with the project. 3. Update your proposal on the database layer, including an entity relationship diagram. 4. Update your proposal on the report layer, including report design samples. Update your proposal on the software layer, including UML diagrams. 6. Update your proposal on the web design layer, including web design samples. 7. Update your proposal on the user experience layer. 8. Update and prioritize the product backlog. 9. You will create a new presentation along with your recording going over each of the above project requirements documentation as if you were presenting it during your next sprint team meeting with the product owner and the rest of the project team. In the above requirements, as well as your recorded presentation, please note what has changed. Remember, it is important that you cite any pictures or any other information used from other websites. Include the author and links if possible. No credit will be given for copying most of another site. It's important to use your own web design, user experience, database design, and development skills. Please listen carefully. Here's a quick summary of my changes. We are adding a small exercise room with our renovations to the hotel. No children are allowed on the equipment. There are 3 treadmills and 3 elliptical machines. There is a set of free weights. Hours are 6:30 a.m. to 10 p.m. I forgot to mention that we have small dorm-size refrigerators and coffee makers in all the rooms. These items should be listed on the new website. Perhaps the exercise information could be a separate tab. The refrigerator and coffee maker information could be added to the tab highlighting the hotel's rooms. I think those are the last changes that I need. Email me any questions you may have. Let's meet in about 3 weeks to discuss this again. Thank you.